Hi guys. So I have added all the videos in the Power BI playlist so you can learn step by step without missing anything. These videos are a combination of the previous video in the Power BI and Power Query tutorial. So if you missed that videos, watch it first to understand all the concept clearly. So let's start the today topic. It is the fact table and dimension table. So one question. Do you know why companies separate data into the fact and dimension table? Here. So in this, the core concept behind every Power BI dashboard, data warehouse, and data analytics project. In this video, I will explain fact table and dimension table with real world example in a very simple and way and perfect for the beginning and the interviews. So in front of you, I have given you three tables. One table is here, the blue one, this is the green one, and this one, right? So in this video, what you are observing? In this video, here is the data is like quantity data. There is a number. And here is the like product data, like calendars. Okay. So data model get generally contributes two types of the table. One is a fact table, one is a dimension table. Fact table called as the data table, dimension called as a lookup table, right? So fact table basically is a number table, right? So fact table contain numerical value or the metrics used for the summarization like sales, likes, orders, or transactions, or page view, extra, which are all other than number value. And dimension table, the two example here, the calendar table and the product table. Product table means where is the product name, all product name, product SKU, uh, cost, product cost, weightage, everything. So this is 8 project. Maybe it can change to append the new product, but it is a existing one. But it keeps changing the number. Sale keep changing, the number keep changing. So dimension table contain the descriptive value as I discussed, used for the filtering or grouping, right? Example, product, customer, date, store, extra, right? So fact table contain the quantity values along with the date and product ID. See this. And lookup table means dimension table contain the attributes about each product ID like brand, like SKU, like price, extra, right? So I hope this I have cleared. If you have anything, any doubt, you can ask from me. Next topic, I'll explain more about the primary key and the foreign key, which is very useful for making the table and dashboard, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.